This section of the DevSpec Product Expert Training will focus on using the DevSpec Mindmap integration. We'll first take a look at what mind maps are and a little bit of understanding, how you create mind maps, and how you associate requirements and specs with a node on the mind map. So what is a mind map? A mind map is a diagram that's used to represent words, ideas, tasks, or other items that are linked to or arranged around a central key idea. Mind maps are really used to visualize, structure, and classify ideas, and they can be used as an aid in all types of things like studying, problem solving, decision making, and especially software design. A mind map in DevSpec allows you to take your ideas and put them into a requirements form. Now, in order to use the mind map integration, you need to go to the admin under mind map settings, mind map integration, and enable it. DevSpec currently integrates with the FreeMind open source mind map software. There's no additional license cost to use this, it comes with the software. Next, from within the DevSpec client, once that's enabled, you can go to the Tool menu and select Mind Map Manager. Here, you're able to create a new mind map, open an existing one, or edit the properties. If you edit the properties of an existing map or create a new one, you're going to be prompted with a window that allows you to describe that map. You can give it a name, a status, a description if you want, and you can allow users to link knowledge items and specifications to that mind map. I'm going to open this mind map so we take a look at how a mind map works within DevSpec. Now this is just a sample mind map, and we can see here it's built around DevSpec. So the central idea of the mind map is DevSpec, and there's two branches from that. There's defining requirements and managing requirements. Both of these are features that DevSpec has. From here you branch off and you can describe how you achieve those different results with other features that you could add. So using the mind map integration, you can really visualize what a piece of software is going to be. And then using the DevSpec integration, you're able to link an item, a node on the mind map, to a requirement or spec, or create a new item from that. So let's create a new specification from this product versions node here. You'll be prompted with the submit new icon or the submit new window. So in here I can say product version support. I can assign an owner to this, and I can give it a normal description. I can also choose a folder to submit this into. So I can submit that item now, and I see that the icon next to my node in my mind map is now linked to that particular item. I have the ability then to view a special pane within this mind map software that will show me the properties of that item. So now that I have this node created, I can always right click on it and say DevSpec Edit. When I do that, that will pop up my editing window from DevSpec. And now I can see all the properties of that item. I can also make any changes I need. Now in the same way that we can submit a new item from one of the nodes in the mind map, we can also link to one of the items that already exists. I can choose to link to a knowledge item or link to a specification. And when I do that, I can see the list of all of the items within the system, and then I can choose one to link to this particular node on the mind map. I can also link implementation copies here as well. In using the mind map in this way, you're able to visualize all of the things that you could do in the software, and you're able to link those to either create new requirements or to existing requirements to make sure that you're covering all the concepts that you describe. Again, this uses FreeMind, and there's a lot of FreeMind material out there to get more features out of the software.